Today is National Fentanyl Awareness Day. This morning we're taking a look at how the deadly opioid has left its impact not only on our community but also towns and cities all across the country. Good morning and thanks so much for tuning in to your ABC Big 2 News at 11:30. I'm Madeline Dunn. The deadly drug fentanyl continues to take the lives of people all over the country, with the number of overdose deaths growing even more in recent years. In 2021, the last year we have information available from the CDC, fentanyl killed over 100,000 people in the U.S., killing nearly 5,000 people right here in Texas. Fentanyl, a highly potent opioid, is often pressed into counterfeit prescription pills or cut into street drugs such as methamphetamine, heroin, and cocaine, with users not knowing that it's in there. Drug addiction experts say that illicit drug manufacturers cut fentanyl into their product to make it more addictive and to cut costs. 2 milligrams, that's all it takes to kill an average adult. Jessica Aggie, and injury prevention coordinator with the Medical Center Hospital, leads a team of medical professionals in educating the community on the dangers of fentanyl and how to respond if someone you know suffers an overdose. She says pharmaceutical fentanyl is used all the time in a hospital setting, but stressed that the street drugs laced with illegal fentanyl are far from safe.
The dangers of fentanyl is that they're making it out on the streets. And so I use this analogy when we teach our fent class. Like, when it's made out in the streets and not in a lab, what's happening is that it's not regulated. So we don't know exactly how much is going into it. So for instance, let's say we're making a batch of cookies. In that batch of cookies, we're going to put chocolate chips, and we lay out all of our cookie dough. And is every single chocolate chip cookie going to have the same amount of chocolate chips? Absolutely not. It's the same thing with fentanyl.
A recent study done by the Drug Enforcement Agency showed that 7 out of every 10 counterfeit pills tested contained more than 2 times the legal limit or lethal limit of fentanyl.